Have you ever wondered how the exquisite diamonds you see in jewelry stores end up there? Today we delve into the fascinating world of diamond mining, a process that transforms a rough stone into a sparkling gem. Contrary to popular belief, diamonds aren't naturally perfect. Instead, they undergo a meticulous process to reach their final stunning state. The formation of diamonds is a marvel of nature that requires three main elements: carbon, pressure, and time. Imagine billions of years of Earth's crust compressing carbon, altering its molecular structure under extreme pressures until it metamorphoses into a precious crystalline structure. This is the birth of a diamond, a process that takes place deep within our planet, far from the prying eyes of man. Today we unearth the journey of a diamond from its discovery to its display. Join us as we delve deep into the earth and unravel the fascinating process of diamond mining. Discovering a diamond site is no easy task. It often takes years, even decades. Geologists play a crucial role in this high-stakes treasure hunt. They scour the earth, armed with geological maps and sophisticated technologies, searching for the telltale signs of diamond-bearing rock formations. These formations, known as kimberlite pipes, are essentially the Earth's natural treasure chests. Once a potential site is identified, the real work begins. Geologists must then assess the quality of the site. This process involves drilling core samples and analyzing them for diamond content. They are particularly interested in the quantity of diamonds per ton, as this will determine the commercial viability of the mine. But finding diamonds is only half the battle. The next stage is to extract them from the Earth's grip. This is achieved through a process known as blasting. Using carefully calculated amounts of explosives, miners blast the rock, fragmenting it and freeing the diamonds. It's a delicate balance, requiring precision and expertise. Too much force could shatter the precious gems, while too little may leave them trapped within the rock. This initial stage of mining is both exciting and nerve-wracking. Each blast could reveal a fortune in diamonds, or it could yield nothing more than a pile of worthless rubble. But with every blast, the miners move one step closer to unearthing the Earth's hidden treasures. Once a promising deposit has been found, the real work begins. The extraction of diamonds is a process as complex as the gems themselves. It begins with the removal of volcanic ore from the base of the pit. This ore is a treasure trove of diamonds, hidden within the hardened magma of ancient volcanic eruptions, ensconced within deep structures known as kimberlite pipes. As the extraction process commences, the earth rumbles with the work of heavy machinery. Hydraulic shovels, like titans of industry, dig into the earth, unearthing the precious ore. This ore is then loaded onto gigantic trucks, each capable of carrying up to 170 tons of rock. However, diamonds are not easily won. The ratio of rock to diamond yield is staggeringly high. As an illustration, it takes approximately 250 tons of rock to yield a single carat of diamond. That's about the weight of 40 African elephants for a gem that weighs no more than a paperclip. But the bounty of the open pit is not infinite. Once the surface yield begins to dwindle, miners transition to a more challenging but equally rewarding process: underground mining. In underground mining, the Earth's crust is pierced with vertical passages known as shafts. These shafts, akin to the veins of the Earth, connect to operational zones via horizontal tunnels. The drilling operations are directed towards the ore-bearing diamonds, and more explosions take place, destabilizing the overlying ore and causing it to collapse. This process continues, with the miners delving deeper and deeper into the earth, chasing the glimmering promise of diamonds. The trucks, laden with what may seem like just a bunch of useless boulders, could potentially be hiding hundreds of carats of rough diamonds. Even when it seems like we've exhausted a site, we delve deeper. The quest for diamonds is relentless, an enduring testament to our fascination with these hard-won, glittering treasures. After extraction, the real treasure hunt begins. The haul of rocks and ores, carried from the depths of the earth, holds the promise of hidden gems within. These are transported to the plant, where they will undergo a series of processes to reveal the diamonds concealed within. The first stop for these rocks is the crushers. These gargantuan machines are designed to withstand the rigors of pulverizing rock into manageable fragments. Their relentless churning and grinding echoes the immense pressures that originally formed the diamonds. By reducing the rocks to smaller sizes, the crushers set the stage for the next process: the separation of diamonds from the rest of the material. This separation is no small task. Remember, diamonds are formed over billions of years under extreme pressure and heat. Their resilience is part of what makes them so valuable. That same resilience, however, also makes them challenging to separate from the surrounding rock. This is where the marvels of modern technology come into play. Sophisticated machinery uses the unique properties of diamonds, such as their density and luminescence, to sort them from the rest of the material. A stream of crushed rock is passed over grease belts and X-ray fluorescent sorters. Diamonds, having a natural affinity for grease, stick to the belts while the remaining material is washed away. The X-ray sorters, on the other hand, detect the luminescence emitted by diamonds and separate them accordingly. This process, as painstaking as it may be, is crucial in our quest for these precious stones. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our fascination with the beauty and rarity of diamonds. To think that such exquisite gems are hidden within ordinary-looking rocks, waiting to be discovered, is nothing short of magical. This intricate process, from discovery to refinement, reveals the true value and beauty of diamonds. Each diamond, with its unique cut and sparkle, carries with it a story of a journey from the depths of the earth to the palm of your hand. Mining diamonds is more than just a quest for beauty. It's a significant economic activity, contributing to the livelihoods of millions worldwide. From geologists discovering new sites, to miners extracting the gems and jewelers creating stunning pieces, diamond mining supports a vast array of jobs and industries. It's a process that combines nature's wonder and human ingenuity, creating value at every step. So next time you see a diamond, remember the fascinating journey it took to get there.